So I wanted to come and hang out with you guys, with me and April. You know, this time is getting very limited with her being here. So this is a perfect opportunity to share like a self-care, bonding time, all that good stuff. So here goes April. Hey.
Hey guys.
Move over a little bit more, please. And we have this little nail kit. Madam Glam has reached out with their gel kit. I'm so excited because you guys know we are currently we're in quarantine mode or whatever, and you know the nail shops and all that closed. So this was a perfect time to receive this little gem right here. So this is gel nail polish, okay? I've taken all of my acrylics off because they were just popping off. They were just not holding on. I kept re-gluing them on, it was just too much. All right. Okay, so the colors that we have, they are soak off gel polish, and this is Lotus. This is this color here, and this one is Bloom. These are their newest spring launch. Oh,
through my brain. One time, 60 seconds. It looks just out like
it's nice and natural. I like the high shine. It's getting hard.
I would hope so.
I just wish this lamp was just a tad bit larger, but other than that, I am happy.
Coincidentally.
Okay, I'm loving this, you guys. I like the shine. I like, you can really tell that let's touch it. It's still a little wet, so I need to go back under the light. But I'm loving the shine on my nails. It's just making nice and healthy, like a nice highlighter on your face. This is how it's making my hands feel. I don't have any false nails on, so at least I can have pretty nails. Now I have to let the cure get under this LED lamp to putting our top coat on. Okay, you guys, so this is, again, Madam Glam. This is their spring collection. It just launched, I believe, April 1st, if I'm not mistaken. Again, Bloom and Lotus is the colors that they were sent to me, with a base coat and a top coat. You guys, this is so much fun. My nails are so beautiful. I'm not even just saying that, they like legit are so, look at the shine on here, like beautiful. And this is just the base coat, so I haven't did anything yet, but just to have your nails nice and clean, you know, with all this going on, just keep your nails somewhat maintenance. You know, we all can't go put on acrylics and all that stuff, and a lot of people don't even like that. And this is going to help my nails because they're so brittle from wearing the acrylics. It'll give it a break. I can just do gel polish and all of that. I would just like to get a few more colors, especially for my toes. I'm excited. All right, you guys, so April and we want to say thank you for hanging and rocking out with us while April is curing her nails. I wanted to share that Madam Glam is going to offer you guys all 30% off. I'll have the promotion code across the screen, and I'll have it also linked in my description box. Please go check them out. It's definitely so much fun. I know a lot of these home gel kits can be a little bit pricey, but they have so many specials and deals. They have new collections that comes out every month, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. This thing is so lightweight. It's so like a pocket LED lamp. You can just wrap it up and toss it in your little bag. If you're traveling, going on vacation, you just need to touch up your nails or something like that. I believe this is yeah, you should be able to travel with this size here. Oh yeah, it's definitely under the travel rules. Anyways, I just wanted to share this with you guys, so go ahead and check them out. All the promotion codes. This is how the brush looks here. So this is the Lotus. This is the color here. And here goes the balloon. And in between each layer, we put this on for two rounds, which is almost like 25 to 30 seconds, if I'm not mistaken, and let that cure. And then after we get the base coat, the however many 2 to 3 layers of polish, and then put the top coat, let that completely cure, and then go ahead and wipe it off with a little bit of alcohol, just to get all the sticky residue from all of the gel off, and you should be good to go. As we did a little self-care this morning before we get our day started, are you pleased with your nails?
Nice and shiny.
Nice and shiny, as she say. They're really pretty, and wait till we put on our jewelry and we just have pretty manicured nails. I love it. Thank you again for rocking out with us. We will catch you guys on the next one. Peace. What? Don't forget to go follow the April show. She has created a new YouTube channel, so stay tuned for her content to come. And Darnell also has a channel. I'll list all of our family channels down below. Peace.
That's great. Great advertising.